Okay, we're gonna walk straight up the street and we're gonna go directly up this alley right up that way. And just give you the context where we are. We're Galleria Umberto that has this really beautiful, we're gonna walk by it, I'll put the camera in real quick. And then all this one goes all the way down the waterfront. And it looks like that's where we're starting at, but we're actually Piazza e Trento. And we're gonna walk all the way down this way, along this wall, and go down directly down this way. Okay, this is our starting at this piazza right here. Then we're gonna go up that main street right there. So there's quite a few tourists everywhere in this location. And we're gonna walk on through. It's kind of cool in Naples here. Okay. So we're gonna go all the way through here. Must have some kind of cool stuff along the way too. That's what this is. This is kind of a cool little space in there. It's really cool. Okay, so we're gonna walk all the way through this crowded street, and it looks like we don't have before it was really bright, so now we got shade on the whole street. So before everybody was kind of crowding in. The other thing too is we have all these kind of cool side streets everywhere as well. Like those, I'm going to be filming more of those later. So Naples, Italy. See how lots of people are kind of hanging out in the street. And I think gelato. I think there's also a lot of pizza in this area as well. I don't know if this is called Pizza Street or not, but it could be. I was reading about it, but there's might be a lot of streets that have a lot of pizza. I don't know. So those are kind of cool. Via Toledo, okay. So just follow this. We're going to try to go into the street here if we can until cars come by. There we go. We got some pretty cool side streets too. Just kind of try to capture some of those a little bit. So actually those are really cool. See, I think later I'm going to try to capture some of these, go up them with the camera. So this road, I don't know the name, but they're calling it Via Toledo. So I think Via is just to Toledo. So Toledo Station is where we're heading. One of these little alleys. Then this space is kind of a cool space. We're gonna come around to the right here. There we go. So I did do a whole video here about this one already, walking around in it, but it's such an amazing space. Galleria Umberto. So we're just gonna keep on going and just keep focusing on our street here. Okay. Let's see here. Go around like this. So that's the street we've been on so far. They have these pretty cool trees right there. Wow. Okay. Pizzerias. Okay, so we're still at our Target Street here. We just went to the pharmacy. We're going to keep on going up on this street right here. We're also going to capture what's ever on the side streets. And over the next few days, I hope to try to go up some of these side streets and capture more of them on camera as well. Got so many cool things like this, little windows up there like that, the lights on. So yeah, today is actually the first day in Naples, so it's got these side streets like that. We're gonna head on up to Toledo. Giving you a taste for Naples. Okay. So we're basically just parallel with this neighborhood called the Spanish Quarter. So I'll film more of these streets in the future. Let me see, I think some of these are Carnelli. Some of these are famous pizza places, I think. I don't know what that is. Huh. All right. Open bus. Okay, so I'm going to come up to the end of my ending my filming time. So Toledo station's right up here. So let's go a little bit further. And then I guess we're gonna come to an ending. So yeah, keep on watching. I'll be filming a lot more of Naples so you get more of a taste for it.
Non dispiace assolutamente, non voglio dire da te, tutti i odio, una mano che così, ma non vengono così, grazie, non devono tirare, ma come fanno a pigliare tu? Voglio essere dindoli, è dindoli, ma qui dalla Spagna, dindoli,